Hello everyone. Today I wanted to film you a quick guide on how you can get Bluetooth in your BMW E65 series. You're gonna need a help of a one little thing that is really cheap, and this is the cheapest way that you can get Bluetooth in your BMW E60. So the thing that I'm talking about is a Bluetooth module, and it's already installed in my BMW. It's hiding behind here, and so I cannot show it to you physically, but I will put an image right here so you can see how it looks, and I will leave also a link in the comment down below so you can order it for yourself. Just make sure that it fits your car. So that is the first thing that you're gonna need if you want Bluetooth in your car, because that's the model that your car connects to. It is Bluetooth AUX, and if you have AUX in your car already in your E60, I think it's gonna be much easier. You're just gonna need to take all of this out. This needs to come out first, and the second thing, you pull out this. You can find easy tutorials on the internet on how to take this out. You can do it yourself. It's a DIY, or you can give it to someone who has already done it before. It shouldn't be expensive. So you will just replace your AUX with this Bluetooth module. Just plug and play, and you can connect your mobile phone. I use my mobile phone and Spotify playlists to play music in my car. But if you do not have AUX, that was my case. I didn't have AUX installed in this car from factory. So the first thing that I had to do was give someone who is who knows BMW coding to code AUX inside of my car, and that is like 5 to 10 minutes of work. So you need to code AUX. You can find the local dealership, but I recommend someone who does it for themselves. You can do it yourself also. If you have a laptop, you can find a free software on the internet, and you just need the OBD cable to connect it to your car, and you have tutorials on the internet on how to do it. The second thing, after you code your AUX, you plug that in behind here into your I don't know this unit, how is it called, this one right here, and you plug it inside and you connect your phone to it, and you can see right here. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So when you go to the entertainment, you will have AUX inside. Just a second, please. You will have AUX inside, and it wasn't an option for me before. Now I have it because I coded it in, and when you select AUX, it is selected for my car right now. As you can see, you just connect your phone to the Bluetooth module, and when you play the music, it's automatically playing in your car, and it's a crystal clear quality, just as the original speakers would sound with the CD inside or something else. So I'm pretty satisfied with how it turned out. The guy also coded this digital cluster, as if you can say digital like speedometer right here, and it's a neat thing because you don't have it like factory in this car. That is going to be it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments, and I will leave you the links for the Bluetooth module and for the OBD cable if you need it for coding down below. It's a quick like DIY if you know what you're doing. But I'll gladly respond to all of your questions. So if you have them, please ask below. That is going to be it for this one, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.